Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to another review video here on my channel. Before we jump into the video, I do want to say thank you guys so much for all of your patience lately. I know I haven't been uploading 3 to 4 videos a week, but that is because I have a second channel, and that second channel is Shanae's Life, so it is videos with Nay. So if you guys want to check that out, please head over there and subscribe, show us some love. And also, I edit my mom's videos, and her channel is Dee's Delicious Bites. So if you would like to check out her channel, head over there, and please make sure you guys subscribe. As always, hit that bell notification. If you're new here, welcome, subscribe, hit your bell notification. And if you've been here with me for a while, thank you for coming back. Welcome. You guys, I'm going to be testing out some new NYX products. So we're going to go ahead and get into the tutorial. And in case I forget, give this video a big thumbs up. Alright, you guys, so I recently went to Ulta with Nay, and I seen an end cap display with eyeshadows and lip products, eyeliners from NYX. And this is their Off Tropic palette. I seen it and totally fell in love with it. Take a peek at that. Absolutely stunning. So obviously, in honor of St. Patty's Day, I'm going to be trying to do a green look. And there is a really beautiful green in here. I'm also going to be using the pigments that you guys might have seen in my haul video if you watched that, and if you didn't, make sure you guys check it out. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into this bright yellow shade, and I'm going to start blending that into the crease. I've already got my eyes prepped and primed, and I believe this palette might have been like $19.99, which is kind of a little bit pricey for only 10 shadows, but it is NYX, and they tend to have really good products, and so far this yellow is blending amazing and I'm liking it. And by the way, if you're wondering, these are my AOA Studio brushes. This is the E129, and I did get these on Shop Miss A. I really want to get another set for my freelance because these are really good brushes. I mean, not all cheap brushes are horrible. Okay, now I'm going to take my AOA E132 brush, which is a small, like, pencil shading brush, and I'm going to dip into this orangey kind of red shade, and I'm going to start blending that directly into the crease. I'm blending it into that yellow. And with the brush that I use for the yellow, I'm just going to buff everything out, buff it together. Make sure it's blended nicely together. And then I'm just going to take some white concealer and a small brush, and I'm going to partially cut the crease, and that is when we're going to go into this green shade and our lime green pigment. Alright, you guys, so now that I have my eyes done, my lashes applied, I just threw on some wispy lashes, and I put a wing on and some glitter on the outer side of the wing and in the inner portion. I didn't want to show that on camera because it has nothing to do with this review. So, now I'm going to use the NYX Hydration Primer, and the reason why I'm going to use this is because I'm going to be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation. I really like this foundation. It definitely is full coverage, but it can be very drying, especially if you use the Can't Stop Won't Stop matte primer. So I just want to see how this goes on and what it feels like. and how the foundation applies over top of this. And to apply the foundation, I'm going to be using the Flower Beauty blender. It is really soft, and I've heard amazing things about it. Finally got my hands on it. So I'm not going to be applying my full face on camera just because you guys have seen it a million times, but I do want to apply some of it just so you guys can see how it's going on with the sponge and how it's sitting over top of this hydration primer. Alright, now going in with the blender. Ooh, I can tell you right now, I already like this sponge. Look how quickly that blended out the bottom half of my face. Okay, this might be my new favorite sponge, you guys. Alright, so I'm going to go off camera and apply the rest of this, and we'll be back to finish the under eye and the lips. Alright, you guys, we are back, and we are going to go in with this new NYX eyeliner. It's the Off Tropic Pro Liner, and this is in the shade Bamboo. It's a really pretty green, so we're going to pop that in the lower waterline. And then I'm going to go back into the palette here and take this blue green that we use, this like teal green, and we're only going to pop it on the lower part, on the outer V. And just kind of smoke that with the lime green liner. And then for lips, I found this NYX Line and Load. It's a 2-in-1 lippy, and this is the shade Foolish Ways. It's really dark and vampy, but it's the only NYX liquid lipstick that I got new. So we're going to go ahead and put it on. So it comes like this. It's really thin, so you can line your lips first and then fill them in. This ended up being a really pretty shade. I actually really like it. And I know this eye look is not going to be for everyone, but I figured, like, for St. Patty's Day, why not have a little bit of fun? Kind of incorporated a little bit of, like, Mardi Gras look into it, so whatever the occasion, it could be a festival, but I just wanted to have fun. It's a colorful palette. Now, this is a soft matte liquid lipstick, so it's really comfortable. And it feels like it's already dry, but it doesn't feel like I have anything on my lips, so it's really comfortable. And I do really like it so far. Hopefully it doesn't transfer too much. NYX matte liquid lipsticks tend to be really good. And again, this is a soft matte. So this is the final look. I'm going to set my face with this Collab Grand Finale setting spray. Alright, so you guys, for my final thoughts, not too bad, not too bad. I do really like this palette. It's colorful, you know, my favorite kind of palette, so I will be using this a lot more. I see myself using this a lot in the summertime because it is so sheena, so bright, so pigmented, and I feel like the shadows worked really well together. They blended really well together, and I didn't have like a lot of powder fallout. It did kick up some powder in the palette on the actual eyeshadows, but I really didn't have any fallout. Obviously, I'm obsessed with this foiled play pigment. I would love to do something with this all over the lid. I'll probably end up wearing something like that for St. Patty's Day. Of course, pigments have a little bit of fallout. If you want them to kind of stick and last a little bit longer, you could use something like a glitter glue or like a sticky based primer. But all in all, I don't see anything like falling on my face currently. And then the NYX Hydro Touch Primer. So far, I'm loving this under the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Matte Foundation. So I don't feel like my face is super dry, and it doesn't feel very tight. And it doesn't look as dry as it normally does when I used the primer and the foundation together. Like, that was just too much for me. So if you have dry skin like I do, then you're going to want to go this route. This primer felt really hydrating and kind of like water, like you know when your skin's thirsty. And so I really like the way that that felt on the skin. So hopefully this does hold up. Of course, you guys know I am obsessing over this Flower Beauty blender. I do want to get another one, and I like the fact that it has like a little triangle flat space here so you can really get underneath the eye. It is so super soft, you guys. This might be my new favorite blender. I really like the liner, of course, because I don't have a really bright, you know, kind of grass green liner like this, so I love it. I also have a yellow one, and I don't know if I've done a tutorial with it yet, but I know I did use it. I might have done a tutorial with it. I'm not sure. But anyways, you guys, if you're going out for St. Patty's Day, be safe. Of course, happy St. Patty's Day. And you guys don't forget to subscribe. Leave me some comments down below. Let me know what else you guys want to see. I do have the e.l.f. foundation and perfusion stuff coming up because a lot of you guys have been asking about that. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit your bell notification, and head over to my second channel, which is Shanae's Life. Videos with Nay, lots of challenges, pranks, vlogs, you name it. Also, Wine Talk Thursday is going to be moving to that channel because Nay really enjoyed being a part of it, so we figured it was a better fit. And don't forget to head over to my mom's channel, Dee's Delicious Bites. Check her out, subscribe. It's a lifestyle channel with a few get ready with me's, mostly mukbangs and recipes, cooking. And a lot of you guys that follow her on Instagram may have seen a lot of her cooking pictures, like food pictures, and you're like, oh my goodness, like, where did you get that from? And she's like, I made it. So make sure you guys check her out, show her some love, and as usual, you guys, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup that you can wear. I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this review video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.